Have you ever found yourself staring at an explain plan, wondering what it all means? It can be overwhelming, right? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into how to read an Oracle explain plan and understand its intricacies. I totally get it. Looking at an explain plan can feel like trying to decipher a foreign language. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people find themselves confused by the details and operations listed in these plans. Let's set the stage with a specific question from a user. How do I read this explain plan? They provided a complex SQL query and its corresponding explain plan, and they want to understand it better. Sound familiar? If so, let's break it down together. So what exactly is an explain plan? It shows how Oracle intends to execute a SQL statement detailing the operations it will perform. Understanding this can help you optimize your queries and improve performance. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the explain plan, but also learn how to optimize your SQL queries effectively. To begin understanding the explain plan, the user should first identify the main components of the plan. The first step is to recognize that the plan starts with a select statement, which indicates the overall operation being performed. Next, the user should focus on the operations listed under the select statement. The first operation is a sort order by, which means the results will be sorted based on specified columns. This is crucial for understanding how the final output is structured. The user should then examine the hash join operation. This operation indicates that two datasets are being combined based on a common key. In this case, the user can see that the hash join is used to join the results from the list tem and tem-el tables. Now, regarding the user's question about changing the hash join to a nested loop, it's important to note that while it is possible, the performance may vary based on the size of the datasets. The hash join is often more efficient for larger datasets. Finally, the user should look at the view operation, specifically VWNSO1. This view is created based on the SQL query structure, and understanding its role helps clarify how the data is being processed in the overall plan. One user suggests trying the useNL hint to change the hash join to a nested loop. This can help you explore different join methods. Regarding the view VWNSO1, it represents the unnesting of the in subquery. This happens because the subquery uses distinct, ensuring a unique set. To read the rest of the plan, pay close attention to the details. The optimizer chose full table scans due to the small size of the tables and lack of helpful indexes. The hash join right anti is used because the not in subquery acts like an outer join. It retrieves records from the materialized view that don't match the subquery results. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. In this alternative approach, the user explains that the view VWNSO1 is an inline view from the query. They note that the optimizer has transformed the in clause into a hash join and the not in clause into a hash join right anti. They also mention that since all tables are relatively small, the full scans are not a concern, indicating that the optimizer likely chose the best strategy for the data. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user suggests using query hints to force a specific join type, although they advise caution. If a hash join is being used, it is likely the best option for the query. They also emphasize the importance of keeping statistics up to date for optimal performance. Additionally, they recommend consulting Oracle documentation to understand the operations in the explain plan better. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that understanding explain plans can significantly improve your SQL performance? It's like having a roadmap for your queries. And there you have it. You now have the tools to read and understand an Oracle explain plan. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.